Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix if you're not able to get the sound, okay, through your Pioneer DJ-FLX controller. So okay, one of the controller, if you're connected to Serato DJ Pro app, and sometimes this play and pause button will not be blinking, okay, and you cannot play this song, you cannot play any songs from your app, because what you need to do is, it's very simple. So you need to sign in with your account and you need to get a trial at least. So go to example, it will be like this, log out. See, after I logged out, this is not blinking, okay, and also it's not playing because I just logged out. So you need to play the songs, right? You need to sign in first. So click on the sign in. We have some trials. So I successfully signed in. So now going back to DJ app, and I'm going to give continue. So now it's successfully logged in. Okay, see this, 15 days left in the trial. So now, I have added 2 songs here. So this time you can see automatically it is enabled. So both are active now. So I put in the track, I put the song in the track, then automatically it got activated. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue in Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 with Serato. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in your forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.